Hi everyone, in this video we will be looking at lists and arrays in Kotlin. So here in Kotlin, lists and arrays are so easy that we can easily initiate lists and arrays and use them. And they don't have much difference as in other programming languages. And here we have these two things, list and arrays. Another one we have mutable list, so we can change the contents in that. So we will see that in this video deeply with some easy examples. Okay, so we will start with an example of creating a list named numbers equal to, we use list of keyword so list of keyword, and we can give any number of lists. To display them, we have to specify the index to be displayed. For example, if you want to display the number 1, then we have to specify its index using number inside 0. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here numbers. Sorry. So number 0 is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes on like that. Now we will see how to use variables here. Arrays variable. Now we will see how to use arrays here. We will remove this list of keyword. Instead of list of, we use arrays of. See, here, not much difference here between lists. If you want to know more about that, we can Google it, or I'll make in next video. Okay. So now we will see how to change, delete, remove, add list elements using another keyword, that is mutable list. For that we use mutable list of keyword, and we'll add numbers now. Okay. Now we run this. If you want to add any numbers to this, we can add it using numbers dot add. For example, if you want to add 3, you can add 3. Now run. Now our number 3 is added to this list, mutable list. Okay. Now to find its size, after adding 3, we'll find its size. Okay. Numbers dot size. Okay, this is after adding number 3. This is before adding number 2. We'll print a line here. Before that we have 10, 11, and 1 is the 0th element. zeroth index element, that is 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. So first we have 10 elements, then we have 11, and now 1. Now we have seen how to add. Similarly, we can remove elements from there. We will remove after. We can, before removing, I'll tell you another thing. We can add numbers in the required position also by using this one comma. In the zeroth position, we add 3. Then 1 comma 3. 0 comma 3. Now we will run. And result operator run. Sorry. Dot add. So see, 3 has come here. Instead of 1, it has now 3 in the first position. Okay, now we can add wherever we want in the position. So these are advantages of Kotlin compared to other programming languages using mutable list. Okay. Now we will see how to remove in Kotlin. We use remove keyword to remove a given element in Kotlin and remove at keyword to remove a given element in a given position. So we will use remove 3. So now this removes the 3 that we added recently. The 3 is in the last position. So when I run the output, I got this 3 because this was added after that. See, numbers add 0, 3 is there. No, that is the thing which is being displayed now. So to remove that 3, we have to remove it after that. Okay. So now I will show you another thing. If we remove again 3, which is not there, it won't remove any numbers. So Kotlin knows that. It is clever enough to know that there is no numbers, so I cannot remove it. And same 9 will come after removing one element. Again we have this 3, that is we added after that. See, this 3 has been added at the position 0 after removing the 3 which was added before. Okay. And using remove method, we will remove that here. Now we will see the output. See, now the 3 will be gone and we have 1 here. Okay. For arrays, it's so simple that we use arrays here instead of mutable list. But arrays we cannot remove, add and all. We can use only mutable list to do so. You can also add two lists together using just plus operator in Kotlin. For example, we have another elements. For example, numbers 2. Okay, so if you want to add numbers 2 to numbers, what we have to do is just, so to add all this both, we have to use numbers equal to sorry guys, not equal to dot add all of now whatever list you want. So numbers 2 so in this we will get the size as double the size because it has been added to number. See, 19 we have got, first is 10 and then we have removed 1, so we have got 19. So 20 plus 20, 20, 10 plus 10, 20 minus 1 is 19 and we have 1 in the first place. So in the next video we will look on how to get all the numbers displayed from a mutable list and list and arrays using for loops. Thank you.